guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you UpCart Shopify tutorial. How to use UpCart. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly install and use UpCart here on your Shopify store. Now the thing with UpCart here, this is not by default available on your Shopify store. So if you just recently created your Shopify store here, it's not yet included. So it's an app that you install in order for you to start using it. So in this case, in order for you to start using it, you want to go to your settings at the very bottom left here, and you want to access these apps and sales channels option. Now you want to click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to look for UpCart. So go to search apps at the top here, just type in UpCart and just press enter. Now obviously there are going to be different apps that you can access here, but let's just focus on the UpCart cart drawer cart upsell here. Let's go and choose this one, and you just need to scroll down a bit. Now the thing with UpCart here is you can actually use it for development stores for free. So you don't have to pay for anything. If you're developing it, you can just use it for free. So for all development and partner stores, including all features and paid plans. So yeah, but if you want to reuse it, if you want to publish it, reuse it on your store, you may need to use or get a plan here like a $29.99 or basically a $30 plan here, or the $34, $35, and the $55 here, which in this case is around like 0 to 200 orders, 200 to 500, and 500 to 1000. So obviously, depending on the plan you're getting here, you'll be getting more and also more of options or different things that you could do here or features. And by the way, you get like a 14-day free trial here just in case. But since we just want to use this for free, let's go ahead and click on install here. And what we need to do next is we want to go ahead, basically just confirm that we want to install this. Let's go and click on install to confirm it. And once it's actually installed, we are now ready to start using the actual app. Now, to get this or to use this a lot easier, you may want to click on the pin to navigation button here, so you could access it immediately on your Shopify dashboard here. And as you can see, it's going to welcome you to UpCart. So first, it's going to ask you if you want to get the free trial for it. So you can try the growth plan here or enterprise plan here for 14 days. You could go and use that. So you could go and again, this is up to you if you want to get it. So yeah, let's go and choose one like for the growth, maybe like the growth plan here. Click on start 14-day free trial, and just need to approve a few things here. So we're going to click on approve. And once you've approved that, it should redirect you to the page here. Now for the learning the basics here. Obviously, they have their own tutorials here. If you want to basically watch the video itself, you can go and do that. We're going to click on continue for now. And it's going to ask you some information about your business. So first is you have like important account email here. So you can enter the important account email here. So they will be using this email account or address here if they need to contact you about your account. You also have the how did you first hear about us, so either like YouTube, search engine, whatnot. Let's go just enter our details here, and once you've done this, let's go and click on continue at the bottom right of our screen here. Click on continue. Now from here, it's going to give you the option to start setting this up. So first things first that you see here is going to be the customize cart option, which allows you to edit your cart and also edit your sticky cart here. Now you also have a lot here like the grow your store into quick steps here as well, after sell, UpCart. I also have like setup guide here. If you want to expand this one, these are the things that you could do. You need to set up here. Generally speaking, the great thing about different apps here on Shopify is they give you like general steps on what you need to do, what you need to update, what you need to complete in order for you to fully set up a app. So first is we want to edit our cart editor. Let's go and edit cart. And from here, it's going to give you a lot of options here. Like for example, if you want to disable or enable the cart status here. So in this case, first it's going to ask you to enable the connect UpCart bridge here. So in this case, you need to click on the link that you see here to enable UpCart bridge from your team editor. So going to just do this first. Click on it. It's going to open up the editor for your your Shopify website here. Just make sure the UpCart bridge is turned on. Click on OK here. Click on enable this one. Click on save at the top right once you've done that. But once you click on save, you just go back in your previous page. Click on, as you can see, it's going to automatically detect that. Connected successfully. Close this one. Again, you want to click on active. And from here, you want to ensure that cart bridge is toggled on. Click on save here. But yeah. So in this case, it's going to say core functionality. If you want to enable some things, like for example, clicking cart icon opens UpCart. If you adding product cart shows UpCart, you can answer yes or no here. Pressing the checkout button, UpCart goes to checkout. Also, I have like third-party compatibility here. Bundle app works with UpCart here. You can answer no. This is compatibility testing here, by the way. No or yes. Yes, let's just answer yes here. Mobile compatibility. Yes, click on next. Now from here, it's going to say, thank you for testing UpCart, making sure it's compatible to your store. You go and click on activate UpCart here. Once it's actually activated, as you can see, it's going to be published. But the thing with this one is you can edit other things here. Like for example, what's the cart width here? The mobile width here, nearly full. The colors, if you want to hide like the announcements, just in case. Also the rewards here, as you can see right now. Recommendations. So basically, this is where you are able to edit a few things. You could also activate this one. Like for example, I want to activate like the section for upsells. Click on this one. Click on activate, and you could go and click on configure manual upsells here. Now you could go and trigger a specific product or all products here. Click on all products. In my case, let's go and click on add upsell product, and maybe I want to promote one product here. Like for example, this product here. Click on save. And every product that is going to be added or someone's going to check out, it's going to upsell this specific product here. So click on update here. And once you've done that, as you can see at the right side, this is what it's going to look like. So you can check out with and they can add the product here rapidly if they want to. Now, if you go to Sticky Cart at the left side here, as you can see, you have Cart Editor, Sticky Cart. You also have the option to change how your Sticky Cart is going to look like. So background color, icon color here, quantity background color, the quantity text color here. So just basically general things that you could do here. And you also have the option to add like custom CSS here, just in case you know about anything about CSS. Also have like analytics here if you want to view how you're performing. So how your upsells are performing here. Upsells module, add-ons module here. Also have the help and support just in case that nothing is not working properly. Also have the post-purchase upsell here, just in case if you want to claim your free trial for this one. But yeah, so just an idea, let's go open up our online store here. Click on Teams and let's click on the eye icon here to view our actual store. Now let's go ahead and basically view one product here. Let's go and choose maybe this product here. Let's go and open it up maybe. Let's go and click on the name. Click on let's go and click on products catalog here. View one product. Maybe this one. As you can see, this is our product. I could go and click on add to cart here. It's going to add that into our cart. So for added that, you could go and click on the cart at the top right here, by the way. You could go and click on the checkout at the bottom right. In this case, this is what's going to look like. As you can see, these are the products. These are the details that we can actually basically check out here, and you also have your delivery here. And also, by the way, if the product is already added in your cart, the upsell option may not appear in here, but I just remove it. As you can see, it's now appearing. Let's go and click on our checkout here. So yeah, so you could just basically check it out in here. But obviously in the cart section, this is where you'll be able to see the upsell that we just added here, as you can see right now. So yeah, so this one is pretty simple to use. The basics are there. Just make sure to activate it whenever you've added all the changes that you want. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.